Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to import audio in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to import audio in Canva. First, just go to Canva and after that select the design you want. You can select any design, for example YouTube thumbnail or presentation, social media. Okay, now for example YouTube thumbnail, and after that in the left sidebar click upload and then click upload files, then just upload the audio. Okay, I have this one, just double click and then just wait for few seconds. Okay, now it's done. Now it's downloaded here under the audio section, and you can use it for any project in the future because it will be saved here. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to import audio in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.